Hi there. Today I finally got the Bohemian Bae box in the mail. I ordered this at the end of January, and this is the first box I've received. I paid for it in January, and this is the first box they've sent, which has been disappointing.
And it's March 13th.
Yeah, it's March 13th now. So there was, and I had to contact them to get information about what was happening, where it was at, and then they, at that point, told me that it was going to be delayed. It arrived today in a bag, in a just a shipping bag. This is not any type of a padded bag. It's just a garbage bag, basically, with a label on the front. And from how I can feel around, it feels like things are loose in this bag. Like there are multiple items I can feel that are loose. I'm not happy with that. I'm not, especially with the cost. I bought the extended or the highest level tiered bag that they are box that they have, which is not cheap. And the fact that they couldn't even put it in a cardboard box with maybe some type of protection around it.
Well, you did buy a box.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all about that. Let's get in and hopefully it will be better on the inside than the outside. Because so far my experience with this company is not good. I've got a very curious chihuahua as well. Now the reason that I picked out the Bohemian Bae box to try, she's very curious.
Yeah, yep, I'm pre-smelling for you.
Yeah, there's nothing at all that is actually protected in
Come
here.
over here.
It looks like everything is in the bag that they sent, the purse that they sent. But the reason that I picked out this box was because of the fact that I like the Bohemian style. And I thought, this would be a good way for me to get a few items just to kind of explore it a little bit more. Okay, so this is the first item. It's a bag. It's okay. This was what I was thinking was separate in the thing. But the fact that the bag has plastic hooks on it, which would be easily broken with the lack of protection from this.
Trying to see if it is broken. Why is
No,
it
it's not.
separated?
It's just that's the design. I'm guessing that's the design. Yeah, because there's not enough here to extend it all the way, I don't think.
No.
I don't know. It's hard to tell. But as far as purses go, it's okay. It's not one that I would utilize. It's a lot of plastics. When I think of Bohemian Bae, when I think of Bohemians, I think of natural items. I think of leathers, and I think of woods, and I think of fabrics, and I think of things that are more natural. This is just a completely plastic purse. And yeah, it's a bit of a disappointment. Let's open it up and see what they put inside, shall we? Inside is a small box. Right here. And yep, that's the only thing that's in the bag. Again, like I said, disappointed in the purse with it being just totally plastic. And on the back of this it says gift box.
Looks like they bought it from a local store. Not even branded with their company. The box, that is.
Yeah, there's no branding.
It looks like, yeah, it looks like you went to the local store where you go get cards and stuff, and that's one of those gift boxes you can buy.
Package, packing tape, packaged down. So yeah, that's what happened. Is, well, I don't know if that's exactly what happened, but yeah. And then they have their little card right here. Well, it's you guys aren't seeing. Sorry, there we go. Thank you for the love. The Bohemian Bae thanks you for sticking this out with us. We appreciate you. Okay, and then a piece of paper that explains how to use one of the products that's in here. All right, let's look and see. There you go. There is a Lucid Dreams calming and soothing bath can't read that. It's so small, I can't read it. Well, here's one item. I'll have Jay read that for you guys because it's so small I can't read it.
Well, the thing is, this is all printed out at a home printer.
Exactly.
These 2 pieces of home printer, hand cut out with scissors.
Exactly.
This label on here on front and back is also home printed out on sticker.
So what does it say? I can't read. It's too small.
Yeah, it's so pixelated. Third Eye Bath Tonic, Lucid Dreams, Organic and Biodynamic, Calming and
so it's
soothing.
a bath. So it's some kind of a bath additive you add it to your bath.
Yeah, I can't read the little stuff underneath. It's too low quality. Let's see. Nightcaps just got dreamier. Dreams and mythical blend of herbs and plants, nourishes and system, yada yada. Best enjoy before bed. Slip this and it tucks it into the bath. So it's a bath salt. A
bath salt, okay. And then it looks like 2 magnets. I guess it's supposed to read out best friend. These are the kind of magnets that are very, very easy to make. I actually make these types of magnets myself and sell them on my Etsy store. Mine are a little bit better quality in my opinion. We also have a old-fashioned standard bath bomb. This doesn't have any information about it whatsoever.
That's just a printed out piece of paper inside the magnets.
We have a package of fashion jewelry, which looks like the kind of thing that you see at the dollar store. And it's even got a broken earring on the bottom. Right there.
Yeah, the glue came off.
The glue came off. Well, because these are so freaking cheap. Like I said, this is the kind of thing you get at the dollar store. The fucking dollar store. A really, really cheap looking faux diamondish type of ring, which, what size?
Pinky.
Is a pretty small size. It just fits on my pinky. And I don't have huge hands. And then
the oil.
An oil, which is, they gave a little card that talks about the oil.
Natural botanical hot oil hair mask.
Okay, so it's the oil for your hair, which I don't ever put oil in my hair. I would say that I am so disappointed by this.
You got $20 in value here for $50.
I was going to say, I'm going right now to unsubscribe and leave them a written review on the site that I subscribed through them, which was Cratejoy.
Wow.
I'm seriously disappointed. I really am.
Yeah.
I'm not happy at all, and I kind of feared when first when it was so late, it had me worry about the quality, and then when it appeared in this fucking piece of shit, then it was like, well,
you got a $10 purse and $10 worth of junk items from the dollar store.
Basically, is what it feels like. I really do feel like this was a ripoff. I feel like I've been scammed. I feel like anyone that is considering getting the Bohemian Bae box should really think twice and read more reviews. I actually am even considering contacting the Better Business Bureau about this. That's how upset I am. So, I will not be putting a link below to them because I don't want anyone else to support this crap products with this crap company. There's my unboxing, and it also is a review. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.